Welcome to another Cardano update. Like always, make sure to check out our YouTube memberships and our Patreon if you want access to all of our charts and if you want access to our daily Discord updates. By the way, the gold members get access to a bunch of other videos, so if you want bonus content, check out the gold memberships. And now let's look at the 4 hour. So yesterday we dropped in my support zone that I gave you, and we dropped exactly to the 50% support level, which is good. But obviously getting a reaction is not enough to confirm that the low is in. We still need to break above some previous highs. And if you want some short-term targets, this right here is important at 97.7 cents. And then breaking above this one at $1 would confirm that we are probably already in a fifth wave move up. But keep in mind, this could also turn into a much bigger ABC, and if that happens, and if we drop to, let's say, the 618 support level, the last chance to bounce would be at 85.4 cents, because if we do not bounce there, it could mean that maybe the setup is different and maybe, we're in a different scenario. Maybe the blue third wave actually topped over here and we are in the much bigger fourth wave move down, which is the blue fourth wave. If that is the case, I'm gonna have a new support zone for that, but so far this structure is still valid. And there's also another scenario, and the other scenario suggests that maybe this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup is already complete and the first wave top is over here, meaning we're actually gonna get the second wave move down right now. I don't think that's the case, but if that's the case, and to confirm that something like that is about to happen, we need to break below 85.4 cents, and then we need to break below this high right here at 83.5 cents. If we drop to these lows, then we are probably going down into a much bigger second wave move down. So yeah, this setup, this 1, 2, 3, 4 setup, it could be complete, although, like I already said, the fifth wave to the upside would not be the best fifth wave. Would it work? Maybe as some kind of ABC, yes, but it would not be the best. But we did get a reaction to my 618 resistance level over there, so that's why I'm thinking that this could be a possibility, so definitely be careful. But as long as we stay above the support levels right here, then I think we're going higher. And my fifth wave target of the blue third wave is at $1.10, and then we should still get a fourth wave move down, and after that the fifth wave move up should complete a much bigger fifth wave, which is the white fifth wave on the chart, and that should complete a much bigger first wave, meaning that we need to get an ABC down after that. This should not really last too long. I mean, if we are in a real altcoin season, the second wave move down could literally last like maybe a week, maybe even less. But keep in mind, if that is the case, it's gonna be pretty impulsive and it's gonna happen very fast. So it might be scary, especially if we drop from like $1.15, let's say, back down to like 90 cents or 80 cents. So yeah, people are going to get scared during this move, but I'm not gonna get scared because we kind of need it. And yeah, we have a bunch of scenarios on the chart, and I told you this yesterday on the Discord server, but I have been covering this chart for a very long time, and this is the first time there are this many scenarios that could play out. So definitely be careful, and this is not financial advice, but I would never trade in times like these because, well, it's really hard to say what the chart is trying to do. Yes, for most of the time it's easy to say what is going on, but right now it's not, so definitely be careful. And I look at this chart every day, and as you know, I'm really good at predicting where it could go, but not right now because, like I said, we have many scenarios that could play out. So again, for the second time, be very careful. Now, to confirm that we're actually going higher and to confirm that we are going to test the $1.10 region, we need to break above the moving average on the 4-hour RSI. If we do, and then if we retest it, that could give us new highs. And other than that, the chart, in my opinion, as always, is looking very good. We had a reaction to the bull market support band over here, and usually when we get something like this, that's when the chart goes insane. So let's actually talk about the daily as well. And on the daily, we are overbought on the RSI. However, this does not really mean anything because we have been overbought many times in the past. So what we need to do right now is grind a bit higher and maybe test the $1.14 level, and that is the 618 of the previous all-time high where we got rejected many times in the past. So, we're probably gonna get rejected in this area as well, yet again. And this could be the perfect time to complete this 5-wave move to the upside, complete the much bigger first wave, get rejected, scare everyone for the second wave move down, and then we could start the third wave of the third wave. So yeah, I am aware of the fact that I said the exact same thing yesterday, but this is not really rocket science. This is not really that interesting to me, so if you want to know what's going on in the market, and if you don't want to get bored by these videos because I keep saying the exact same thing every single day, then check out the memberships and the Patreon, because we talk about different stuff on the Discord server. There's also a chat where everyone can talk to everyone. So yeah, make sure to check that out, and check out the Gold membership as well if you want access to all of these videos. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.